This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about drink bags, specifically these great CaterTech clear plastic takeout drink bags. They're made from a fantastic BPA-free plastic, and they are nice and sturdy. They come in two sizes, the half-gallon and the gallon, and they have a lot of really nice features. They're made of clear plastic, which is great because it shows off the liquids inside. So especially if you're using these for catering, it's gonna make things like your lemonade, iced tea, any pre-mixed cocktails or something of that nature really easy to identify. It also has a nice spot to label them right there on the bag. And they also have little fill lines. So you can see there's a nice little marker over there to the side. That's a great little indicator that'll tell you when to stop filling up so you're not overfilling your bags and not risking spills. They also have a great little carrying handle, and the bags themselves, while they're flat at top, are gusseted at the bottom, which means once they're filled, they're going to expand and they'll stand up on their own. They're a single use, and they've got a great little dispenser, and after you're done you can dispose of them. They also come with tamper evident caps that easily screw tightly into place, and once removed will break that little seal, meaning that if you want to fill these up, say for service of iced coffee, if you're maybe running a small cafe, donut shop, or anything like juice, say for meetings or something of that nature, it'll be easy for your customers to know once something's already been opened, which is fantastic. So these are a great option either for small cafes or bakeries if you're looking to do to-go drink service for functions like maybe business meetings, doing things like coffee service, sending things like lemonade or iced tea to picnic functions. Or if you're doing some catering and you need to take drinks and beverages, especially cold ones, on the go, they can be pre-filled. You can pop them in the freezer, which means then when you take them out, things will stay nice and chilly for a while. It's easy to just place these bags on ice as well. And they're a great way to transport cold liquids no matter the function. These are also going to be great for things like parents or coaches of sports teams. If you're looking to do things like take cold water or sports drinks on the go to games or practices, they make a nice option. So these clear plastic drink bags are a great way to take liquids on the go, no matter what you're doing with them. If you're a cafe, restaurant, and looking to do drink service, a coach looking to take things to your sporting events, or just someone looking for a way to transport iced tea to your next big family picnic, these are a fantastic option that's disposable and easy to use.